In this video, we're going to fetch the API and we're going to map the data to our component. But as you can see, there's a missing stars. And I found out the problem because let's go to our editor and type open dot, and you gotta copy all the CSS and go to font awesome and create a new folder and give it name CSS and paste that all the CSS in here, and we want to remove this all CSS. Most likely is because all the CSS is depending on the font beside its folder. Most of the path in CSS is related to web font, so hence why we have to move it inside font awesome. So let's go to Nuxt.js and change this to font awesome. Save this and go to terminal. Alright, changes, and let's refresh this, and as you can see now it shows the stars. Let's fetch the API right now. So go to Visual Studio, go to index.view, and underneath here call a function called async data, and then here you want to call Axios and add space and let response equals to await, but you always have to add try and catch. TP localhost 3000 pi products, return products. So async data is very similar like data. There's an error here, and let's check await. And the reason why we have an error because whenever you put await, you have to put async in the beginning, and most likely we won't get any error now. So Axios is a library to call APIs. Think of it like Postman, but this time you are calling it directly from a Nuxt application. What is async data? Async data is a function that only Nuxt has. You cannot find this feature in Vue.js alone. This function's job is to fetch the data before your Nuxt.js application finish loading on the browser. Why do we need this? It is because, as I said in the slide in the previous video, SPA is not good on the SEO department because the nature of it. It only loads the app and later, which is hard for Google to crawl. Remember that our Nuxt app is set to universal. So if you go to nuxt.config.js, it is set to universal. So if you go back to index, it means that our Nuxt app is running on the server, which is good for Google to crawl it. So let's attach some note above it so that you will understand. So put async data is fetching data before Nuxt app finish loading on, or Nuxt page, not app, finish loading on the browser. It is good for SEO because the data will be loaded first. We pass the async keyword before the function name is because we want to use the async await combo. It will make your code more beautiful so we can avoid the callback hell. Remember, always do try and catch to avoid your app from crashing. Let's console log the content. So console log response. So let's go and restart our server. Notemin. Let's see on port 3000 connected to the database. Let's go to Google Chrome and inspect. Make it a little bit smaller. Go to console and let's refresh. And there we have it. We have all the data from the server. It's pretty amazing. And now our goal is to map this into this component. So let's do that. And now we have the data. We gotta make response. Let's check. It is products, all right? So it has to be the response dot products. So products. So how do we loop this array? And we gotta use v4 product index in products. So now we can access products directly. We can access this products data directly, and right here, and last but not least, we want to pass in a key product underscore ID. And now we have an error say index defined but never used. We will use it obviously. So copy product, and let's change this. So if you want to attach product inside this src, you gotta add colon and product dot photo, and for a value within a HTML tag, you want to do something like this: product dot title, and then we have what else? Product dot price, and that's about it. Let's save this. Let's go back here and let's refresh, and there we have it. We have two same products, but we don't have a price. So let's go to our MongoDB Atlas and just refresh this. And as you can see, we have two products, but we don't have a price because most likely we forgot to add in our Postman before. But rest assured, we're gonna update our pricing in the next couple of videos. And now it's showing and is really looking good. All the data that we only see in a form of JSON so far for the past couple of sections is transformed into an angel form, which is this. It's really looking beautiful. Our admin app is starting to shaping up. I'm so proud of you guys. In the next video, we will assist our post API for product by building a beautiful front end form so that we can add products.